Greetings, my good friends, peace and love, and welcome back to y'all, Larry's Fountain Pen Review. This is mail call day today. So, this just came in the mail, so I thought I'd rip it open and give you all a little look-see and show you one of my upcoming reviews, which will be interesting. Let me open that little jewel up. And what does that remind you of? Automatically, that reminds me of a Lamy pen case, what they come in. At least to me it does. So anyway, but let me show you what's inside real quick. There it is. And I will give a full review and detail on this pen, and I will show you other pens to compare to this pen. This is the Wingsong 601 blue Vacuumatic fountain pen with a fine nib and the ink window. Very cool, very awesome. So I cannot wait to get my hands on that, and then I will show you later what's in this box. So that's going to be a lot of fun. Well, folks, that's the big mail call today, and it's going to be a lot of fun showing you this fountain pen. I'm a big Parker guy, right? Love Parker fountain pens. Oh, so we'll give Wingsong the 601 a little look-see later, and we'll take it from there. Folks, wash your hands. Please stay safe. And as always, don't text and drive. Peace, love, later.